Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display. We can start from the widgets. If you want to add a new widget, just expand the app and hold the finger on the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Now select the place on the home screen. You can also change the size of it by swiping the edge, or just remove that by holding a finger in it and choose remove. That's it. The next one, wallpaper and style. This is the place you can change the system color accents, so click on the color palette to do it, turn it on and choose your colors, or just basic color, like a green one, click on the apply, and now we should have the green settings icon, for example, the quick access icons. Now you can go to the settings, there you have your home screen layout. If you want to change the system of your design of your system, if you want to use like a Apple device or iPhone, just choose the home screen only and you will not have the app drawer. Now if you want to make a folder, just hold an app and drop onto another. We can open it and change the color of it by clicking on this circle. If you want to change the folder name, just click here on the pen icon and you can do it by the keyboard. If you want to remove the folder, just click remove button. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.